Hey, what's up, Fit Fam? Welcome back to the Fit Kitchen. Today we're going to show you how we whipped up this barbecue chicken stuffed sweet potato. We paired ours with a side salad. Let's hop into it.
Let's do it, bro.
Let's do it.
All right. The ingredients needed for this quick and simple recipe are the rotisserie chicken, your sweet potatoes, your red cabbage, your barbecue of choice, chopped cilantro, and diced green onions.
First thing you want to do is go ahead and preheat your oven to 425 degrees and line a cookie sheet with parchment paper. Next, grab a sweet potato, grab a fork, and begin to prep it by poking holes in it. Okay, after you've poked your holes in your sweet potatoes, go ahead and throw them in the oven for about 40 to 50 minutes. And also, if you don't have an oven, like say you're a college student, you can throw these in the microwave for about 9 minutes.
While your sweet potatoes are in the oven, it's the perfect time to go ahead and take your rotisserie chicken, carve out the chicken breast, and cut it up in small pieces. Once you have your rotisserie chicken on your cutting board, the piece that you want to target is the breast. After cutting your chicken breast, go ahead and start cutting the red cabbage.
Next, go ahead and coat a skillet with olive oil spray and add in your red cabbage and begin to saute it for about 3 minutes over medium heat. Next, you want to go ahead and add your barbecue sauce in. Our choice was GQ's sugar-free barbecue sauce, sweet and spicy. It's about 10 calories per serving. Next, go ahead and add in your chicken and about a pinch of cilantro.
Now that the sweet potatoes are done baking in the oven, all you need to do is cut it in half, just like this. And then you want to take your spoon and just carve out some of the middle of it, leaving about 1/4 of potato left in the skin. Next, you want to take your chicken filling and put it in your sweet potato halves.
After you filled your sweet potato half with your chicken and added a little bit more barbecue sauce to it to taste, go ahead and garnish it with some green onion.
Hey, you ready to try this, bro?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Hey, y'all need to try this. Let us know what you think about it.